Introducing Viral Tales AI. Create unlimited YouTube Kids Stories videos in minutes that attract millions of views, subscribers, and commissions. Without any tech skills, creativity, or monthly fees. And all it takes is just 3 simple steps. To create a highly engaging, professional, and profitable animated kids story video with Viral Tales AI. Step 1. Select from our library of pre-made templates, copy-paste or craft a compelling and engaging kid story in just one click with AI. Step 2. Our AI then converts it to scenes, add text, images, voiceovers, music, branding, and more to make it unique and engaging. Hit Generate. Step 3. In minutes, your high-quality animated kids story video will be ready to be shared on YouTube, attracting millions of views and subscribers. You can now create hundreds of videos, explore different storylines, and gain massive success with Viral Tales AI. We wanted to make it as simple as possible for you to tap into this niche and make money without any barriers. And with our secret weapon, the 3S framework, you'll be able to grow your subscribers and views exponentially without spending a single penny. Viral Tales AI will do all of the following and more for you. Awesome features. 100% cloud-based software. There is no need for you to install anything. Just sign up and you can access our software from anywhere on Earth. As long as there is an internet connection available, you are good to go. 3 different modes to create engaging, profitable kids story videos quickly. Get 3 different modes to create diverse, unique, and attractive videos with Viral Tales AI. You get complete flexibility to create videos as you want. Easy mode. This mode is perfect for beginners with no technical skills or experience. Advanced mode. For those who want more control over their videos, this mode allows you to customize subtitles, text/background colors, transition effects, and select specific images for your storyline. Hyper mode. This mode is for experienced users who want to take their videos to the next level. It includes all the features of easy and advanced modes, plus an intro/outro feature and aspect ratio options for different platforms. Create captivating story scripts for kids in one click. With just few keywords and single click of a mouse, you can create different versions of an engaging and captivating story that will keep kids entertained and coming back for more. No more struggling with ideas or worrying about the quality of your content. Effortlessly create engaging AI characters and images for your stories. Find the perfect images for your story with our AI-based image generator. You can choose from a library of high-quality characters and illustrations, or use your own images to add that personal touch. Save time and effort by using our one-click image generation feature. Bring your stories to life with human-like voiceovers. Choose from over 200 voices in 50+ languages to create high-quality voiceovers for your stories. Our AI voice technology ensures that the voices sound natural and engaging, making your videos even more captivating. Captivating music for your videos that will keep kids glued to the screen. Add background music to your videos with a few clicks. Choose from different genres and moods, or upload your own music for a personal touch. Reach a broader audience with one-click subtitle generator. It's proven that 85% of users prefer to watch videos with subtitles. Now you can reach a broader audience with our one-click subtitle generator. This feature automatically takes the text from your voiceover and turns it into captivating subtitles that can be used on any platform: YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and more. Brand your videos with intro/outro screens. Brand your videos with your logo and message using our intro/outro screens. This will make your videos stand out, look professional, and leave a lasting impression on viewers. Create recall value of your brand for all visitors. Design captivating thumbnails that get more views. With Viral Tales AI, you can design captivating thumbnails that will get more views on YouTube. Choose from a variety of templates, customize them to your liking, and attract millions of views with eye-catching thumbnails. Elevate your kids' stories with Image Background Remover tool. Want to insert custom characters, your own image? Just upload any image, and with the help of AI technology, you can remove the background from any image in seconds. Easily create custom characters or add your own images to make your videos more unique. Enhance your images with our advanced image former tool. Transform ordinary images into professional, high-quality visuals using our advanced image former tool. Upload any image and restore faces, colorize images, and remove imperfections to create stunning visuals that captivate your audience. Different aspect ratio options for multiple platforms. Easily change the aspect ratio of your videos with just one click to fit different platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook and more. No need to create separate videos for each platform. 16:9 or 9:16 or square videos, ViralTales AI has got you covered. One-click social sharing to gain more exposure and views. Easily share your videos on different social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook and more with just one click. This will help you reach a larger audience and get more views, subscribers, and ultimately more revenue. Why ViralTales AI? Here are the major benefits you'll get from ViralTales AI. Capture the untapped, the unconventional, and the unbelievable. There is literally no competition in this niche, and it's highly profitable. It's like having a blue ocean at your fingertips. You can now gain massive success without fighting for views or subscribers. Get the first mover advantage and dominate. ViralTales AI is the first of its kind software that combines the power of AI with storytelling to create stunning animated videos in minutes. By being an early adopter, you'll have a significant advantage over your competitors and dominate the niche. Save time, money, effort and resources. No need for complicated tools, animation skills, or outsourcing. ViralTales AI handles everything for you under one dashboard. You can now create engaging, high-quality videos in just minutes without any additional cost. YouTube favors kids-friendly content and pushes them to millions. YouTube loves kids-friendly content and often promotes it on their platform, leading to millions of views and subscribers. Even new channels can gain a significant following with our software and secret weapon.